Hello everyone, welcome back to our UiPath bot channel. Today we are going to learn about how to implement the coded test case. In our previous session, we learned about what is the use of coded test case, why we need to use them, then what is the difference between coded test case, then UiPath normal activities. So as per the plan, today we are going to cover how to implement the coded workflow template. Okay, so let's get deep dive into our topic. To implement the coded test case, I will open the UiPath Studio. I open the UiPath Studio. In today's session, we are going to automate the one particular website. For the automation script, we are going to use .cs, which means C sharp. Okay. Then for the UI element capturing purpose, we are going to use object repository. I will show how it will be. Yeah. First, I need to go to the project panel. You can see. So it will be look like this. I already created the one template, test automation project underscore demo. So here just right click, add. So here you can see the multiple options, test case, coded source file, everything. So just click on this option, coded test case. I will give one name for the naming convention, coded test case demo, then location as usual, then execution template. Just hit on create. You can see once I created the particular file, the extension will be .cs, which is nothing but which is referring the this is C sharp file. Okay, then so this is the basic flow actually. You can see using system, what are the parameters which get invoked, then imported, all the details available over here. Then you can see the namespace, syntax, everything. So after this log message only, we are going to write our automation script. So as I mentioned previously, to write this complete automation script, we are going to type the C sharp code. Then to interact with the website, we are going to take the help of object repository. What is meant by object repository? Object repository is nothing but which is used to capturing the UI element and store it in somewhere. So if you are going to proceed with any UI based automation, you can reuse these selectors, then elements, everything whenever we want. The main advantage will be if any changes in the applications or website, like there is some UI level changes, there is some drop down, some option will get changed means if we change in the object repository field itself, it will reflect in the all over the workflow. So we don't want to open any workflow individually. So this is the it will act like a centralized platform. Okay. Yes. So now script platform is ready. We will begin. Then our selector capturing option. You can see in the right side panel there will be 3 to 4 options will be there. Data manager, test explorer, outline. Then I chose object repository descriptor. Then to capture the UI element, first I'm going to click on this plus icon. You can see it will ask for new application. New application is nothing but which application or which website we are going to automate. Just we need to give the name here or pay challenge. Which is done. Which means the container is get created now. Under this container, we are going to capture the element like to open the browser, to type the data, to click the element, to navigate the data, kind of things, right? So just click on capture element. First, I will open the website as well. Yeah. So now we are going to capture this website or page challenge for the demo purpose. So you can see first we need to give add screen, right? Which means our bot is going to launch the one particular website. So if we give this add screen, it will capture the main element, which means base element of this website. So based on that, bot can able to identify, okay, this is a website we are going to launch. So first movement, we need to use this option, add screen. So when you hit on this add screen tab, you can see it's getting highlighted over the screen, all the screen, right? Just click, yep, the screen get captured. Okay. Then after launching the screen, basically what we are going to do, we are going to type the email, company name, role in the company, first name, last name, phone number, address. Then finally we are going to hit on submit. Okay. So here, which means almost 7 type field, one click field. Just I'm going to hit on this, capture the whole element. You can see by automatically it can sense all the available elements. You can see email, role in company, last name, address, phone number, everything get captured. Even if there is additional information also get captured, information shots. So we need these 8 fields only, right? So just click on deselect all, then just click select them manually. Email, company name, role in the company, first name, last name, phone number, address, submit. So it's quite easy, right? Like, which means like every time we are going to indicate uh, one by one, right? So here it will get automatically inspect. You'll see one magic now. You can see if I hit on this capture option, one magic will create. You can see automatically it will fetch the data, backend data of the DOMs. You can see all the 8 element get captured. Chrome, email, company name, role in company. So what are the elements we manually selected? All the things automatically captured, then save it under the elements tab. Click on save. Yes. Now our capture part is done. Okay. Then now we are going to play with the code. Just we are going to write our script. Very simple only. I will explain. Just click on control space UI automation. Okay. UI automation dot. UI automation is nothing but we are going to take the functional from the UI automation. Then we are going to perform the multiple operation. You can see UI automation dot attach equals get type. So first time we need to open the website, right? So open. This is the common syntax. Double bracket. Then pause the name. What is the name of this open screen? So this is the container main screen. Then ends with semicolon. So this is the standard coding structure. So this is common for all the steps. I will explain. Okay, now we launch the screen. So usually what we will do, like after launching, we are going to perform this step under the same container only, right? Not in the different container. So for that, we need to take this particular code, piece of code under the container, which means we need to store under any kind of variable, any one of variable. I will show that. To create the variable, there is some syntax. Var, then main page space. Now you can see main page variable got created, which means this whole flow, which means whole code capture under this variable. Then just control space main. Now we can see variable got created. Then after launching, first we need to type the address, right? So just put the hit. You can see click check what are the function we need to do. Everything will get come over that. So now we need to do the type into option. Just select this. Done. Then so address, right? Which means this one we are going to type the address. Then we need to give the input. To give the input, just click give comma After this UI element, then give like I'm going to give Madurai. So what will happen? It will take it as an input. This it will take it as a particular field. Then it will consider as a particular action. Then these three things will going to perform under this screen. Got it? So it's very easily we can understand this coding. There is no difficulty over there. So same piece of code we need to replicate for all the 7 fields. So for that, I'm just copy and paste to save sometimes. Okay, first is done. Then what is the second one? Company name. Company. We need to give the exact name. So XYZ Ltd. Then third one will be email. tajithpandix at Gmail. Okay. Then oh sorry, there is some speech. Email is done. So email field I need to choose view this one. Yeah, now it's fine. First name Ajit. Last name. We given the phone number. Phone number. Okay. Role in company. If you give the wrong name here, it will not work. It will throw an exception. Then role in company, senior automation engineer. Then the same page. Finally, we need to click on the submit tab, right? So main page dot. So already we done with the type into. Now we need to click. So just choose this click action, double bracket, double quotes, submit. Yes. Okay, guys. Now our script is ready. Just I will trigger the bot. So what are the things we did? We capture the UI elements. We write the automation script like to launch the browser. Then type in choose. Then click. It's get launched. Address, company name, email ID, first name, last name, phone number, role in company, submit. Yes, it's worked perfectly. Yes, guys. So our script is working fine. So the same way for the testing purpose, we are going to add some features like for the testing. Like if you are going to do some regression kind of things, that time we need to add some features. Then if you are going to do some functional based testing, in this case we need to do some validation parameters. So in our upcoming session I will explain end-to-end flow with the real-time example. Okay, so until unless you can go through this video, if you have any doubts you can ping me in the chat, in the comments, then you can send out an mail. Then if you found this video as helpful, like, subscribe and keep support. Thank you so much guys. Bye.